feel at home. Hi guys. Masa naman ang duha? We are for today's vlog is mangita mini. Kita mo ni Nelsie, Alicia, and Kay. This is Kay. I don't know. I see Fritz. So for today's vlog, guys. For today's vlog is like nagpa-register me as voters.
I'm done.
Mana siya day. Nya, mana sa padaw na human si Claire. Wapag minatawag. Zal there at back. Tapos si Fritz, Lish, and wala dyan may masay guys. Malag me later. Nga wala ko importa. Kung importa bitaw. Tatawag na ko! Tatawag na ko.
Kamu ba? Simbara mo kung naras ilahan.
Uy!
Kay dili.
Hi, Sabra. Hi, Claire. Si Claire mo edit ani. Love you. Adiyan ng live at sa pretty. Nag-matching na sa midday kay niya. Wala may nag-ingon na mag-matching.
Nag-match ba ito kayo ato?
Oo!
Katong?
Katong kuon. Katong na natur. Mga kuon. Blue. Nag-matching na ito guys.
Excited?
Best friend so hard that we match. Hi guys. Tawa. Alam mo, lokal na ko. Gidukala ko, dugay guys silang Lish guys. Vlog take over guys. Oh. Up to 2 minutes na. Hi guys.
Labay.
Nelsie. This is Kay. We're here at the sports complex to register for our voters ID. Voters ID? Dili ba? Voter katipunan.
What is
Ng
obnoxious?
Sanggunian.
What is
Saka
the
to yan.
definition of obnoxious? What?
What?
Definition of the obnoxious.
Nauseous.
What is the definition?
Nauseous is when
What
you
is
feel
the
dizzy
difference of
and disoriented.
Huh?
Disoriented and dizzy.
Claire, what is the difference between small L literature and big L literature? Wait lang. Okay. Big L. Ay, di ko na sa man.
Ay, ngani nga, ay glass ang top ano nga.
Frame na, frame.
Bakit ko pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Guys, boring tayo.
Iiwan mo na ni Jazzy.
Hi again. This is Nelsie. This is Kay.
Again.
This is Zyle.
Again.
And the one beside her is
OG.
And we're here together at the Mandaue Sports Complex. There are many people here.
There are people here in this one. That's so weird. Okay. Let's buy S1 Lego.
Huh?
Let's buy S1. Question and answer. What is the difference between small L literature and big L literature? Small L. May difference na.
Literature is
Literature,
Writing.
literature
Ay,
with a
ay.
big L is
Ayun, ang big L mo pa ba? Ang big L.
a small L.
Ang small L kay writing. General writing.
Literature kay ang subject, big L.
Sige.
Tumna ko.
Sige, patubaga sa inyong kuhan. If correct ba mo, kalimut sa
L.
Big L? Well, big L is like,
Uy, be, if 2 minutes na ikuhan, press
it is valuable, like, himo ni Shakespeare, sa Rizal, like, Lolimitang Gere, while the small L is not, hindi siya valuable.
Kanang everyday use ni mo siya.
General,
Di na
general.
everyday. Uy. General na kuha niya. Ang kanang big L. Ay, big L ba to?
Although it made history, big L ka to.
Kanang mga
Important.
kuhan. Kanang mga educational.
Educational thought in school.
Murag nag-announce sa graduation.
Jogging po. Jogging outfit. Tag-on na ni.
Manyosa, Zacchaeus, Josiah,
Araw ko ba? Punta na ako sa GC.
Kalito food.
Ay, nag-charge guys.
Lilia,